And we started talking about like how close the Russians were to actually beating us to the moon, which not a lot of people know about. But when I was over there in Moscow, I got to see
A formidable challenge to the United States. Beyond the well-known victories, hidden within the folds of history, lie untold secrets that have remained shrouded in mystery. Picture this: Joe Rogan, the charismatic host of the Joe Rogan Experience, unraveling shocking truths about the Soviet Union's clandestine discoveries spilled by a prominent Soviet astronaut on the brink of his demise. What are these enigmatic secrets concealed for so long? How have they shaped our understanding of the cosmos? Brace yourself for a journey into the unknown. Rewind to the mid-20th century, a time when the Cold War's geopolitical tensions gripped the world. The United States and the Soviet Union locked horns in a fierce battle for supremacy, with the cosmos serving as their battleground. Amidst this rivalry, the Soviet Union's exploration of Mars added a layer of intrigue to their cosmic endeavors. Despite achieving notable milestones in space, a mysterious silence surrounded their Mars mission, leaving a riddle unsolved for decades. Recently, Joe Rogan, the voice of the masses and a captivating storyteller, shared a tale that peels back the layers of secrecy surrounding the Soviet Union's unearthed discoveries, featuring UFOs and technologies seemingly of extraterrestrial origin. Stay tuned as we plunge deeper into this mind-boggling narrative. While Neil Armstrong's moonwalk and NASA's triumphs are etched in history, the Soviet Union had already etched its mark in the cosmos. Before the iconic moon landing, the Soviets pioneered lunar exploration, making them the first to breach the moon's territory, even though a human touch was yet to grace its surface. The Soviet saga in space began with the launch of Sputnik 1 on October 4, 1957, marking the birth of the space age. Luna 2 in 1959 further solidified their prowess by becoming the first spacecraft to reach the moon, crash landing and transmitting invaluable data back to Earth. Luna 9's soft landing in 1966 provided humanity with the first-ever images of the lunar surface. As the lunar missions progressed, Luna 16 made history in 1970 by returning a sample of lunar soil to Earth. Yet, the pinnacle of Soviet space triumph was reached on April 12, 1961, when Yuri Gagarin orbited the Earth aboard Vostok 1, becoming the first human to venture into space. Gagarin's 108-minute orbital feat marked. The Soviets elevated their human spaceflight endeavors with the Voskhod missions, culminating in the groundbreaking first multi-person crewed spaceflight in 1964. In 1971, they etched another milestone by launching the world's inaugural space station, Salyut 1. This kicked off a series of triumphs in space station missions, highlighted by the iconic Mir, a marvel that operated from 1986 to 2001, hosting international cosmonauts and astronauts, and fostering scientific research and technological advancements. The 1960s ushered in an extraordinary chapter in space exploration, with the Venera mission achieving the unimaginable, a successful spacecraft landing on Venus. This feat was particularly impressive considering Venus's hostile conditions: extreme atmospheric pressure and a toxic mix of gases. Venus, even hotter than Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, didn't deter the Soviet Union from bravely exploring its mysteries. The initial attempt, Venera 3 in 1965, ended in failure as it crashed without transmitting data. However, in 1967, Venera 4 touched down successfully, revealing vital information about Venus's atmosphere, devoid of oxygen and water, but rich in carbon dioxide and its lack of a magnetic field. The Soviets continued with 12 more Venera missions, each building upon the previous ones, with highlights like Venera 8 transmitting remarkable photos and videos despite the harsh climate. The climax arrived with the hefty Venera 9 to 12 space probes launched between 1975 and 1978, each weighing up to 11,000 pounds. These probes, equipped with landers, capturing clear and accurate photos, significantly contributed to unraveling the mysteries of Venus, laying the groundwork for Joe Rogan's recent revelations. But the Soviets didn't stop there. They had grand aspirations for Mars. Following the success of Venera, they aimed their sights at the Red Planet. Launching the Mars 2 and Mars 3 missions, these ventures sought to delve into Mars's atmosphere, climate, and surface features. Despite challenges, Mars 2's orbiter transmitted valuable data back to Earth, while Mars 3 made history on December 2, 1971, as the first spacecraft to softly touch down on the Martian surface. Yet, the elation was short-lived, as Mars 3 fell silent after 15 seconds of transmission, leaving scientists in the dark about its fate. Theories abounded, from Martian dust storms to extraterrestrial interference, but the true cause remains a mystery, casting a shadow on what could have been a splendid mission. The intrigue deepens as the Soviets, driven by a quest to outshine and a curiosity about potential Martian life, kept certain aspects of their Mars missions under wraps. The Prop M rovers, integral to their exploration, were notably absent from official reports until a leak in 1990 unveiled this clandestine mission. Rumors even circulate about rovers on Mars 6 and Mars 7, raising questions about the extent of the Soviets' secretive practices in space exploration. The Martian landscape, a perennial fascination for astronomers, hosts a captivating phenomenon: colossal dust storms that sweep across the planet, veiling it in a blurry, raging amber glow for weeks. Mars, with its unique topography and atmospheric conditions, becomes an ideal stage for these epic storms, transforming the once lifeless red orb into a dynamic, turbulent sphere. Before the Mars 3 rover's abrupt silence, its cameras captured a mysterious gray background, hinting at the possibility of a Martian dust storm swallowing the mission. This enigma fuels speculation, urging us to ponder if hidden details and otherworldly creatures might be concealed in the secrets of Mars. Space exploration, a journey that pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and capabilities, is rife with uncertainties despite meticulous planning. His story bears witness to unexpected challenges and setbacks, as exemplified by the Mars 2 mission. Though equipped for a triumphant landing on Mars, last-minute rocket system failures resulted in a catastrophic crash, underscoring the inherent risks in space exploration. Apollo mission, renowned for its lunar triumphs, also faced its share of challenges. As the lunar module descended towards the moon's surface, difficulties in landing arose. Neil Armstrong's quick thinking and exceptional piloting skills averted disaster, saving his life and fellow astronaut, Buzz Aldrin. While setbacks can be disheartening, they present valuable opportunities for the scientific community to learn and improve. Space accidents prompt thorough investigations into root causes, with scientists and engineers analyzing data, studying telemetry, and conducting examinations to enhance technology. Studied the failures, making substantial technological advancements to prevent similar issues in subsequent missions. By the turn of the millennium, technological progress prompted NASA to launch the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, in 2005. Equipped with cutting-edge instruments including a high-resolution camera, the MRO aimed to explore Mars comprehensively and locate traces of earlier missions, such as the Mars 3 spacecraft. Armed with images and data from the past, American scientists embarked on an extensive search, mapping out the landing coordinates of the Soviet lander, continuing the ongoing quest to unravel the mysteries of the Martian landscape. In their quest to locate the remnants of the Mars 3 mission, scientists faced the formidable challenge of decades passing and the possibility of debris being buried or swept away by Martian storms. Despite the odds, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, captured intriguing images, revealing a remarkably intact parachute adjacent to a circular metal object speculated to be the Mars 3 lander. A dark area nearby was identified as the likely landing point, providing tangible evidence of the Soviet Union's successful mission. However, the exact cause of Mars 3's shutdown remained elusive despite these discoveries. Nonetheless, the confirmation of the Soviet accomplishment emphasized the importance of international collaboration in space exploration. Instead of fostering rivalry, this confirmation spurred collaboration and led to the creation of the International Space Station, ISS, showcasing human ingenuity and shared goals in exploring the cosmos. This secrecy is not unprecedented, as various allegations and whistleblowers over the years have suggested that space agencies, including NASA, may be concealing information about extraterrestrial life. The Soviet Union's missions to Venus and Mars, especially the Venera 13 mission in 1982, detected organic molecules on Venus's surface, hinting at potential life forms. The lack of transparency from space agencies regarding such discoveries fuels curiosity and speculation. This episode of secrecy prompts broader questions about what else might be concealed in the vastness of space. Could there be unexplained phenomena, encounters with alien civilizations?
The surface of Venus is so hot that the longest a lander survived on it is just 128 minutes. It was Soviet Union's Venera 13 mission. However,
Eventually be unveiled. The tantalizing prospect of disclosure, whether through official channels or unofficial leaks, holds the promise of captivating the world with revelations about aliens, UFOs, and the mysteries of the universe. As we gaze at the night sky, pondering the southern lights and the unknown, the desire for a deeper understanding of our cosmic place and the existence of other life forms intensifies. The journey to unlock the secrets of the cosmos continues, shaping our perspective on the nature of reality.